In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your HP DeskJet 4200 printer that is printing the blank pages. If you are missing any ink or all of the inks, then you can follow this video to fix it. Switch on the printer. Go to your smartphone. Open the HP app. Make sure your printer is already installed in the HP app. Now go to look for the diagnostics and click on the print quality tools. In this section, look for the last option, view all print quality tools. Look for the cleanup option, and in that click on the clean printhead. That's the automatic printhead cleaning. After doing the cleaning, it will print a page. So we can see it has printed a sheet with all the inks showing up on that. That means it has cleaned the print heads. In case you don't see any much improvement, then you can click on the level 2 cleaning. This will take little bit extra time. It will be a deep cleaning. Again, it has printed the page. There is a last. If you don't see the results, then you can go for the last cleaning, that is the level 3 cleaning. This will definitely take little bit extra effort. This will take extra time for the cleaning. Most of the printheads that are clogged starts to work after doing the 3 steps of these cleaning. If you don't see much result, then you can click on the clean again. So you can repeat this process several times so that it starts to work. In case that doesn't work, that means you need to replace the ink cartridges. Sometimes the ink inside the cartridge is dry, and even then it displays on the screen like it's full. So in that case, you have to replace it. Thanks for watching.